Hello everybody, this is Raymond of One Trade Institute and I'm happy to be with you once again. Well, today I'm talking about trading robots. We are in the day of the androids. Programmers are in the trading business. Different kinds of systems are being put together to trade. Now, are trading robots really good? Do they make money? Well, let me help you here. When I started trading, the first year I used different kinds of trading robots. By then it wasn't popular. Trading robots were not really known. I was aggressively using them. I had some that would take trades for me and I had some that were just bells and whistles. So there are really two kinds of trading robots. There's a black box and there's a white box. The white box first. The white box basically is giving you just information. It's trying to alert you about happenings in the market. So it would have bells, whistles, you hear ding, 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 brrr, you hear various sounds just to alert the trader that there's something happening that is unusual or there's something happening based on the parameters you have put in place, and therefore check your trade and make a decision. So I really prefer a white box. I would love everybody to use a white box so that even when you are busy, if your parameters are met, a white box will alert you so that you can come to your chart and make your decision. But there's another one called the black box. The black box actually makes the trading decisions for you. You put in your plugins, you write your script, your code, whether C++, Java, Python, whatever programming language you know how to use. Once your broker system accepts that kind of language, that kind of script, you can program it and put it in, and it will be making the decision for you whether you are there or not. Now, that is the one I do not like. The challenge with the black box is that these are codes, zeros and ones, and there are situations that happen in the market that causes the system to misbehave, or the Android, or the some people call it EA, expert advisor, to misbehave, and therefore they result in losses of monies. I mean, if you go back from 2012 till now, firms, individuals, they have reported how much they have lost with a robot going rogue or making errors, and this is very dangerous for investors who have invested a lot of money and have entrusted the money to robots. Locally here, we've met some traders who put a lot of money in a robot and went home to sleep for 2 weeks, hoping that by the time they come back, their computers would be on, they would have made a lot of money. But they came back and there was no money. It's zero. So that is the danger of a robot. The advantage of a robot is that it hasn't got emotions. Like, people suffer emotional drawbacks when they are trading. But the power of trading is that the same emotions are good for decision making. The same emotions will give you a hunch, and therefore you stay away from the market for no reason, and then it will be a good thing for you. But a robot hasn't got any idea. It will just be pushing in trades in and out. And so you have situation whereby people say, well, my robot has done very well on the demo account. You see, the difference between the demo and the live is that it's the same price feed you are getting, it's the same candlestick you are getting, but the automation is different. You experience real life slippages when you are trading a live account, but the demo account, those things do not really show up because the liquidity provider is not trying to protect his books. For the demo, there's no liquidity provider or no bank or no counterparty trying to protect their positions and make sure their firm stays alive. So it doesn't happen there. So usually people call you from all over the world or send you messages. Look, I have a demo, I have a robot that's doing well, it's a black box, it's down 200% in 3 days, and you'll be excited. But when you buy it and you try it on the demo, it will still deliver sometimes the same similar results. But when you put it to the live account, then something else happens. And this is because the live account experiences real-time slippages, real-time market challenges, broker challenges, and so on. And also, some brokers have what we call sweeping the floor. At some points, black boxes trading live accounts sort of clog up the trading platform, whichever trading platform you use. They clog it up, it doesn't function too well. So the trading platform has a code in there that tells you, kick all these EAs that are causing you not to function well so that you can run smoothly. So when the platform kicks off the EAs begin to now reinstall themselves behind the scene. You will not see that. And by the time they finish doing that, they would have taken a very bad position, and then you are like, boom, you have lost money. So before you get into the EA business, play the same EA on a live account, on a demo account, and leave them. You'll realize that the same EA on a demo account on the same day may turn out to make more money than the same EA on a live account, because that EA on a demo account is not experiencing sweeping the floor. It's not clogging the system. The broker is not interested in it. It's also not affecting any liquidity provider. It doesn't do anything to anybody. So you're like, yeah, it's working. Then you're like, oh, the live one is not working. It's because it is facing a real market situation. Just like an individual learning to trade. Demo account, 200%. Live account, minus 10%. So that's the difference. So for me, what I would tell you is that, look, rather get a white box, or I'll suggest to you that a white box should give you some bells and whistles, then you can make your decision. But with a black box, you are in trouble, because they are known to cause problems. With my experience, I will not suggest to anybody to go for a black box. So EAs will not make you a millionaire. If it was easy for EAs to turn everything around, I'm sure every brokerage firm, I mean, all the top brokerage firms, all the top hedge funds, they will just leave their money and be home and be swimming on the beach and being, flying around the world and visiting historic sites. And then by the time they are back to work, the EAs would have transformed their lives. It doesn't work that way. Trading is actually hard work, and you, the individual, need to sit down and make your decision. Guys, it's time for us to sit and make quality decisions. Thank you very much, and keep watching our channel and subscribe. Okay, see you. Bye bye.